So here's how to separate names like first name and last name in Excel. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see, there are two types of names here. First, these names are separated by space and these names are separated by simple comma. Alright, so I'm gonna show you both of that, how you can separate these names into first name and a last name. So first we need to select these names like that, and simply from the menu bar you need to go with the data option. Alright, so from here you need to go with the text to column, and now simply select the delimited. Simply go with the next, and from here, as you can see, the selected names is separated by space. So from here we need to select the space and simply go with the next. And then from here you need to select the destination like that, and simply go with the destinations selected like that, and simply go with the finish and press on OK, and there you have it. So for the commas, let me just show you real quick. You need to select these, go to the text to columns again, go with the delimited selected. Now from here just untick the space and select the comma. Alright, and simply go with the next, and simply for the destination path once again select these and simply press on OK. So there you have it. So that's how you can separate names in Excel. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.